This is the Bridgestone Turanza 6, their latest addition to their touring car tyre range. New in 2023, it is full of new technology. These tyres are best in class for wet performance, and that's thanks to these cleverly designed grooves here on the shoulder. These improve the tyre's traction in wet surfaces as they channel the water away from underneath the tyre and even prevent aquaplaning. You'll also get superior mileage thanks to two reasons. Number one, the new technology compound, and number two, the 3D washboard sipes. As well as preventing water on the contact patch, these little blocks actually interlock together, which means there's more stability in the centre of the tyre. And it also features the ENLITEN technology, which makes it more energy efficient, so you're going to save a little bit on fuel and battery power. Plus, you're going to cut some CO2 emissions whilst you're at it. Not to worry, if you have an electric vehicle, they are also EV ready. So if you're looking for a tyre that's best in class on wet performance, long lasting, outstanding on fuel saving, and even EV ready, then the Bridgestone Turanza 6 is for you.